If screen time is not working on your iPhone, not showing app usage, or displaying the wrong screen time, here are some quick fixes that can solve the issue. First, open the Settings app and tap on Screen Time. Then select App and Website Activity. If screen time is turned off, enable it. If it's already on but not updating properly, turn App and Website Activity off and then back on again. Sometimes screen time can glitch, and a quick refresh fixes the issue. Next, scroll down and check Share Across Devices. If this is enabled, your iPhone may combine screen time data from your iPad, Mac, or other Apple devices. Try turning this option off and see if the screen time data becomes accurate again. After that, go back to Settings and tap on General/Date and Time. Make sure Set Automatically is enabled. Incorrect date or time settings can stop screen time from tracking properly. Now, go back to General and open Software Update. Install the latest iOS update if one is available because Apple often fixes screen time bugs in newer updates. Another quick fix is restarting your iPhone. Go to General/Shutdown. Power off the device, wait a few seconds, and turn it back on. A simple restart can fix temporary iPhone glitches affecting screen time. If screen time still isn't working, go back into the screen time settings and check content and privacy restrictions. If you don't need these restrictions enabled, try turning them off temporarily. You can also tap Lock Screen Time Settings and create a screen time passcode, then remove it again. Sometimes resetting the screen time passcode refreshes the feature completely. Keep in mind that if you just enabled screen time, it may take a little while before activity data starts appearing. After completing these steps, screen time should start tracking app usage normally again on your iPhone. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone troubleshooting tutorials.